Very good. So all the ladies have tried to do the welding. Some even like it so much for taking it home with them.
So we're getting ready to do our 3 o'clock drawing. We just kind of shut it down out there for our last person. Check out all this goodness right here. We have ESAB helmets. We're going to give away 3 welding helmets. I'm not just grow bags. Arctic Cat picked in. Jessi Combs threw some stuff in. And at the end of the week, we're giving away a fridge freezer from Black Forest and a kicker amphitheater. It's a huge speaker. I have one in my office. We jam out all the time. But you guys, check out all these things.
I think it's going to be difficult, and I really just don't know what to expect because I've never actually done it before, but I'm super stoked to try it, and I'm super excited that ESAB has this opportunity available.
That was cool. It was frightening at first, but then once you get it into a flow and you move it. Great teacher. Great teacher. But now I want to buy a welder, and now I can practice. Great job. Thanks, Shirley.
I absolutely loved it. I haven't welded since high school, so this was a great way for me to get back in the game, and I can't wait to get home and go weld some more. I want to make garden art with all the broken parts, so it was a great experience for me.
Cool. What did you think?
Oh, I thought it was great. I was a little nervous at first. I didn't think I was going to like it, and then I tried it. Now I can't wait to do it again.
Awesome. I already got you. What did you think?
Oh, I thought it was awesome. I was really glad that I did it. I was kind of nervous to do it at first, but now I'm happy. I can't wait to go home and weld.
Great. What did you girls think about all this?
That was exciting. Once I figured out how close to hold it to the metal, it was smooth sailing. That was a lot of fun.
Nice.
Definitely the distance between the skater and the metal what gets you.
As long as you go straight, you go. And your husband's one of the ones that's teaching us.
Yes, he is.
Yeah.
Works for LetzRoll Offroad and deals with ESAB and enjoys his job very much.
It was a little empowering because I melted metal together, and that's pretty freaking rad. It was fun. It was cool.
It was such a great experience doing it with just women.
Yeah.
I loved it.
Loved it?
I absolutely loved it. I was looking forward to it all week.
It was awesome. I did so good.
Industrial Metal Supply brought around these, which they supplied all of our metal, which was really cool. So ESAB, LetzRoll, Industrial Metal Supply, making all these girls happy. Look at that.